This is a short video intended to give just an idea of what it was like to help build a car for the Power Racing Series, link in description, with Omaha Maker Group, link in description, when we went to Kansas City Maker Fair, link in description. I won't narrate the whole thing, but I do want to talk a little bit about it. First, here's the first clip.
Okay, 200 milliamps.
Ready?
At least. Yeah.
Right, so that's just a little electric car. We replaced those two motors in the back with one large one later on. And that is one of two cars that we entered into the race. Sorry, the videos were shot on my phone, and so they're all at odd angles, so it just twist your head around, you'll see what's going on. That's the big motor.
So two things we need to adjust before we strap it down. The things to make sure they're right height. They're accessible.
Well, maybe. I don't know. That's pretty good.
Put the background first, it goes in a lot easier.
I'm really glad the motor
Fits underneath the.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We may or may not have checked that.
Oh, I definitely didn't.
Tallest guy in a really tiny car.
Yep. Need a push? You gotta do it yourself.
No, as long as this thing's out of the way.
Oh god. You can barely see the wheels, at least in the front. Yeah, that's the rear chassis.
Yeah.
It looks pretty good.
I should say here that there are probably going to be other videos and photos of this whole experience. This is just my documentary. There's a whole lot more that went on. A lot more test drives. This was just the one the night before the race when we replaced the motors. Just to give you an idea. And when I say we, I mean they, because I just was the screwdriver holder and floor sweeper. Okay, now here's the race in Kansas City, June 23rd.
The winner is a national champion. Yeah. That guy won the whole thing. Yeah, they had it last year.
Here's a lineup of all the other cars for the qualifying round. And I'm not going to cover the whole race because I was busy doing other stuff.
They brought it to Maker Fair Milwaukee, and then they brought it to Maker Fair Elkhorn, right? So they love it.
This is just the only chance I had to record who was there and what they were driving. Just a wide variety of vehicles. Here is one of our vehicles. It's a UPS box car, and the other vehicle is that little blue BMW down there. These are our two racers for the qualifying round. Showing off. And all the cars had to take a couple laps to qualify. I should have shot all of them going around, but I only got a few of them. That one is the Oscar Mayer Wiener, and this one's based on my neighbor Totoro's cat bus. The resolution is not great on the video, but it's a faithful reproduction of the cat bus.
Who are out there to make a fool of themselves and possibly even a little bit of heroics. It really depends on the next few minutes.
is our box car, and coming up behind it is our little BMW.
The Illuminator trying to get into its stall spot correctly. The last car is moving in, Kansas City in the back. We have the Mario Kart 7. We have the other Kansas City car. We have Team Rat. We have Car Ram.
And this is the last minute of the video, so I'll stop talking. They're going to do a countdown and start this is the last race of the series. The first two were on Saturday. This is the endurance race, 75 minutes on Sunday. And after the video is over, you can go visit the other links.
Drivers, prepare to race. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Omaha Racing, Pink Camaro in the lead, Subaru Lasses, that's both now in third place. Your top three spilling out. Keeping it together, clean start by all the cars. Look around in turn one. Already, Pink Camaro into the lap traffic and attacking it with full fury. Meanwhile, inside behind continuing. Pink Camaro already slowly racing through the field. Pink Camaro, Bluebird, and Superbug all able to do 2 laps before after they first up with the car ram. They were able to do what? Unbelievable practice, that's right.